Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be finding the mean, variance, and standard deviation, and this is the first in a several part series. Here we're asked to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation of set Z. They don't tell us that it's a sample from some bigger set, they just say that it is the set. So in this case what we're going to do is find the population variance and the population standard deviation. If they had told us that this was some sample from a larger set, then it would be sample variance and sample standard deviation. So what I want you to do is pause the video and enter these data sets into, or these data values into L1. Once you're done, press play to resume. Okay, so you've entered your data values into L1, as I've done here. Now you're ready to actually find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. And we do that using var stats. It's our one-stop shop for lots of information. So we press stat, we arrow over to calc, and we choose number 1 var stats. We tell it that our data is in L1, our frequency list, we don't have one, and now we choose calculate. And again, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos and you want to know how to tell it what list it's in, you just press second and the number of whatever list your data appears into. Now press enter to calculate, and our mean, no matter whether it's population or sample, is always the same. X bar represents the mean. Doesn't matter if it's population or sample. Both mu and X bar are essentially the same. They're what's called unbiased estimators, or X bar is an unbiased estimator. So here I have that my mean, mu, since it's a population, the letter I actually use is mu, not X bar. Population mean is 12.3083 if I round it to 4 decimal places. My population standard deviation, that sigma, is equal to 0.224, and if I round it to the 4th decimal place, that would round to a 4 as well. Now I need to find variance. That would be sigma squared. I could retype this value and square it, or I can just press vars, arrow down to number 5 statistics, or just press the number 5 for statistics, and then choose sigma x, since we are looking at population variance. Now square it and press enter, and so my population variance is 0.0503 if I round it to 4 decimal places. And that's really all there is to finding population mean, variance, and standard deviation from a list of values. Until next time.